Hi, Chad here with Purple Car Life. Today's the day. It's a little bit sunny out. It's only still in the 40s, the high 40s, probably 48 or 49 degrees right now, so a little chilly, but it's time to get this homemade cab taken off so that we can start putting the Curtis cab on. The Curtis cab installation will be a separate video, so stay tuned for that in future video releases. But just getting this off will probably take me at least an hour. I've got to unwire some things, remove the lights. I'll take the Artillian toolbar off the back just to give me some more room to work and get this angle iron off, and then we'll be ready to start the installation of the Curtis cab. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by taking all these wire ties off. Since I didn't build this cab, I'm not exactly sure how it's all together. I'm going to start by taking these bolts out that go through the ROPS bar, and there's one bolt in the front. I'm hoping that will let me take the roof off by itself and then worry about the front structure after that. So we'll see if we can get this off first. As with most homemade things, everything's a different bolt size. I decided I better find out where this wiring connects. I see it right here. Now, since this piece of angle iron is notched out right here on the floorboard, I'm hoping that when I remove these two screws, the weight just falls down onto the floorboard on both sides. Then I'll give my dad a call, see if he can help me lift this off. I think it's gonna be too heavy for one person. Does it?
Would it be better to take this off?
Yeah, but then you create this whole thing with all that.
What do you want to do? Go back that way with it?
Yeah. I think we can. I don't know, it's pretty heavy back here, huh?
Yeah.
The top is too heavy to lift off, so we're going to try to remove the big thick plexi first.
Get it?
Yep. So it's still pretty heavy, so we're removing the thick plexi from the top. But one of them, instead of being a bolt head, was a screw, which was all stripped out. So I'm going to try to drill the head off of that screw. Look, it's got all kinds of slivers of metal on it. There's the head of that screw. So you can see once the plexi was lifted off, we were able to lift the frame up over the steering wheel, and we set it beside the garage for now. It was still pretty heavy and awkward. We're going to try to take it apart into two separate pieces. Here's all the tools and pieces from disassembling that cab. There's the piece of plexi. You can see it's really thick. The front portion of the homemade cab and the roof frame. Well, since I've owned it, this tractor has never looked like this before. Totally open station. I can say I already miss having a little bit of a roof. It's warmed up today while we were taking that off. Right now it is 57. The sun feels pretty hot. So I'm looking forward to getting that Curtis cab installed on this tractor to get me out of the sun and the snow and the rain. Thanks for watching us remove the homemade cab from this tractor. Now we're ready to move on to the Curtis cab. And if you like videos about tractors, outside work, rural living, lawn mowers, and equipment, make sure you're a subscriber to Purple Collar Life. Click that like button, share with your friends, and please help the channel grow. And we'll see you again the next time.